Welcome back to my channel, everybody. So today I want to talk to you about, is Amazon influencers better or is Amazon associates or affiliates better? So I have been doing both of them for the last 3 or 4 years now, and I can say definitively one is much better than the other. Now, the reason for that is because you don't have to drive traffic, you don't have to, have massive visibility on social media platforms, you don't have to have a following, you don't have to run ads, you don't have to do literally anything except review a product. And so, which one is better? Amazon Influencers program is so much better than affiliates. Now, I've recently really been trying to work to increase my affiliates income, but I'm currently making probably about $100 to $200 a month in affiliates, whereas I'm making $6,000 a month in influencers. Affiliates requires a lot more work. You have to basically create social media content, which means that you need a social media following for the most part, and then have them click a link, which then takes them to another link to which they can check out. So you never want to be too far away from the purchase button. The closer you can get to a purchase button is going to be the best, because as soon as they have to click off a page once, let's say you're trying Pinterest affiliate marketing with Amazon. They see your pin, they click it, takes them to your blog. They click the product in your blog. It takes them to Amazon. Then they have to add to cart and then check out. So that is like affiliates. You can, same with Instagram, Facebook, whatever you're doing. You're creating a video about a dress that you just bought, and then you have to put it on, usually hair and makeup. You have to have engagement. Most of the time, if I post to social media, less than 200 people see it. So I'm really reducing my chances of making a sale when I had to do the work up front. So Amazon influencers, all I do is put on this dress, set up my camera and say, hey guys, I just purchased this dress. Now, ultimately, you could double down and you could do affiliates and influencers for the same product, because you have to put on the dress anyway, for the most part for influencers. Say, I purchased this dress. I love it because it's really stretchy and flexible. It's lightweight. It's made from workout material, blah, 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 blah. And then you are going to post it to the back end of Amazon. They will put it on the listing image. So rather than driving traffic of people you don't know if they're going to like that product, Amazon is showing your video to people who organically clicked on that product. So once they do that, they're already on the product listing page where they can say, buy now. So it is less clicks away from a purchase, which means less clicks away from a commission for you, but also Amazon influencer commission rates are so much higher than affiliates. You have to do so much more work with affiliates. You have to drive your own traffic. You have to do just like an annoying and tedious amount of work, unless that's totally your style. If you are like a social media influencer, then affiliates might be the right place for you. You already have the eyeballs, you have the engagement, then go for it. And there's no reason not to double down. I double down. I do influencers and associates or affiliates, but Amazon influencers has so much superiority over affiliates, and that is because ease of use, less time associated with it, no need for social media, no need to bring your people to the listing. Amazon is just showing your content to people that are already on the listings, and then you get paid. So 100% Amazon influencers all the way through, higher commission rates, easier process, like so many tools and tricks and tips that you can do to take that video and then post it somewhere else. Also, I never have gotten this with Amazon affiliates, but I have gotten it with Amazon influencers, and it's like every single day I get probably 10 emails with lists of products that companies are begging for me to review. And sometimes I will review the product for free if it's something I want, whether it's like furniture or whatever it is. And then if I don't want the product, I actually am at this place in my income with Amazon influencers where I can say it's going to be $250 $5 for this 2-minute review video. And so not only do I get a free product, I get paid up front, and then I get all the residual commissions from anybody that clicks on that video on Amazon Influencers and watches it. So there is so much more, and they're always coming up with greater incentives to get influencers on their platform. Some companies will offer 50% commissions for a limited amount of time, trying to get you to promote their product better for them, and also it boosts your commissions. I am making $1,000 a month in just additional commissions from companies that are doing these little like deals with Amazon influencers saying, hey, we'll give you 15% commission on this product, just send me your sales report at the end of the day. And now thankfully Amazon tracks all of that for you, so you just automatically get paid out. I absolutely love it. I say do not sleep on this side hustle. It is the best side hustle of 2025, and I have tried so many. If you think that I haven't tried selling digital downloads on Etsy using Canva templates, I have tried Etsy print on demand, Amazon merch, Amazon FBA. I have tried them all, and they all have their own unique benefits, but Amazon influencers is now my full-time thing because it vastly exceeds all of the other ones that I have tried. So if you guys are interested in learning how, I do have a course down below. It teaches you A through Z, and it holds your hand, so you won't have to worry about whether you're doing something right or wrong. It also provides you with a lot of assets that you can use to continuously grow your reach beyond Amazon and kind of build portfolios for yourself, so that way you can start charging more and you're organized from the start. So definitely click that link down below. Also, if you like this content, make sure to like it, subscribe, maybe comment down below on what you would like to see or hear from my experience being an Amazon influencer for the last 3 years.